mountains where the eagles soar, in the land of Tibet, my heart forevermore. With every prayer flag flutter, my spirit takes flight, in the land of ancient wisdom, bathed in golden light. Oh, I love Tibet, where the rivers run free. In the embrace of her beauty I find my serenity. From the valleys to the peaks, her majesty unfurls. In the melody of Tibet, my soul finds its pearls. Amidst the unlost vibrations to strong furls. In the melody of Tibet, my soul finds its pearls. Amidst the monasteries where chants fill the air, in the whispers of the wind I find solace there. Through trials and tribulations